Hey there, courageous leader. I am doing a little bit of my own rumbling with vulnerability, as Brene Brown would say, and practicing some braving because I am going to have to make a change to our April 30th collaboratory event. You see, in my excitement and enthusiasm about the idea of bringing a bunch of courageous leaders together to take in Brene's content and discuss it informally over a glass of wine, I did not even consider that there may be rules or boundaries that I was breaking. And although I do tend to be more of a ask for forgiveness versus permission type person, I do respect boundaries, and I don't want to break any rules. And so I did find out that Netflix does not allow public viewing events, it turns out. So we will not be able to watch Brene's special together, but I do want to still bring together a group of courageous leaders to take in some of her wisdom and discuss the learnings from that special and from her book, Dare to Lead. And we can do that by using some of the public tools that Brene has made available on her website. So I have a plan for that. It does mean a little bit of homework, so it means I'm going to ask you to watch the special before you come on April 30th. And there's also a Dare to Lead assessment that I'll ask you to take that's online, and we'll be able to have a really awesome collaborative discussion with a bunch of courageous leaders on April 30th. We just won't be watching the video live together, but I do want to do a live online watch party. More to come on that. I wanted to first, though, apologize to you for the change in plans and say that I really hope you still want to join me. I do ask that you let me know if you want to pull out, and I completely understand, but please do join us still on April 30th to have a really collaborative and courageous discussion about vulnerability and daring to lead. And I hope you'll join us. Glass of wine, lots of discussion, and amazing leaders all together. Thank you, and I hope to see you then.